Hello and welcome back to Delicious Hugs. On today we will be making cornbread and vegetable soup. Let's get started by sauteing chopped onions in a medium pan on medium-high heat, not too high but not too low. You will saute those onions for about 1 to 2 minutes, just until they're translucent and become soft. Once the onions have cooked for 1 to 2 minutes, we will go in with our ground turkey. If you don't like ground turkey, you can definitely use ground beef or ground chicken. Let me know, what is your favorite soup to cook in the winter time? Go ahead and push your onions to the side of the pan and add your ground meat at this time. Cook your meat for about 3 to 5 minutes or until done. I like to use a potato masher when I'm using ground meats. It will break up the meat into small pieces. Once your meat is done, you will go in and add your vegetable spice mix. This spice adds such great flavor. It's also good in dips like your spinach and artichoke dip. Go ahead and add your favorite tomato soup. I'm using a creamy tomato soup. Sometimes I also go in with a red pepper and tomato soup. It just depends what I have on hand. Give that a quick stir. Cover your pot with the lid. Reduce your heat and allow the soup to simmer. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Now we will make our cornbread by adding 2 cups of cornmeal to 1/4 cup of sugar. Give that a quick mix, and then we will add our wet ingredients, about 1 1/3 of buttermilk, 1/4 cup of oil, 2 eggs at room temperature. Give that a quick whisk and then add it to your dry ingredients. Once you add your wet ingredients to your dry ingredients, you want to mix it until combined. Be careful not to overmix. I also added about 4 tablespoons of butter that has been grated. Simply fold that in. The oven is preheating to about 425 degrees. I also added 4 tablespoons of butter to my pan. Make sure your pan is hot before you add the cornbread batter. Spread your batter evenly in the pan. Also, take a large spoon and press down gently to move the butter towards the center of the cornbread. This will allow the surface to be nice and golden brown. With the bottom of the spoon, simply spread the butter on top evenly. You're going to go in the oven about 20 to 25 minutes. Continue to stir your soup to make sure that it's not burning on the bottom. If you need to reduce your heat some more, go ahead and reduce it. The cornbread is ready. It's nice, golden brown. It's sizzling. Look at that butter. It's just pretty, pretty as a picture. The soup should also be ready at this point. Go ahead and adjust your seasonings. I am adding some chicken bouillon, some black pepper, and just a pinch of cayenne pepper. Give that a quick stir. Continue to adjust if needed. Now it's time to plate. I like to take 2 ladles of the meat and vegetable mixture, and then the last ladle, I like to take majority of the liquid soup. And we are done cornbread and vegetable soup, and I didn't forget the honey for the cornbread. And for my foodies, I also have some apple butter for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you. Until next time, bye-bye.